Hi. Most of the students feel difficulty to draw internal structure of the heart. Let me teach very easiest way to draw the heart. Let us start with love symbol. Okay, to love the drawing of heart, just to start with the love shape. Okay, draw like this. Generally, heart is in pear shape or triangle shape. Okay, first draw like this. Next, draw two lines from the middle of this symbol to separate the four chambers of the heart. Okay, this is the outline. Okay, from right ventricle we are starting to draw this pulmonary artery. Okay, this is pulmonary valve. Okay, you have to draw like this manner. Okay, now this pulmonary artery divides into two branches, left branch and right branch. Okay, this is systemic aorta. It starts from the left ventricle. Okay, draw like this. This is systemic aorta. Okay, draw like this. Okay, now let us draw superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. It enters into the right atrium. Okay, this is the right branch of the pulmonary artery. This is the left branch. This is pulmonary artery. Okay. Now I am drawing right atrium. Right atrium. Okay. From this right atrium, it opens with the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From the left atrium, it opens with the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. Okay, this is left atrium. Okay, generally walls between atriums are slightly thinner than the walls between ventricles. Okay, these walls are walls between ventricles are slightly thicker than the atrium. Okay, these are cardiac tendoni. Okay, you draw like this. Okay, blood capillaries. You draw like this. These are left pulmonary veins. Left pulmonary veins. These are right pulmonary veins. Right pulmonary veins. This is inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Almost we have completed heart structure. Okay, it is the direction of the blood flow. Arrows represent the flow of the blood. Okay, now you erase the extra portions, unnecessary portions from the diagram. I think you have understood how to draw the internal structure of the heart very easily. Okay, now okay, this is the internal structure of heart. Okay, now we go for the labeling. Okay, it is the left atrium, right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aorta, systemic aorta, this is pulmonary artery, this is left branch of pulmonary artery, this is right branch. Okay, these are right pulmonary veins, these are left pulmonary veins, this is tricapsid valve, this is bicapsid valve, it is also known as mitral valve. Okay, it is aortic valve, this is pulmonary valve, it is also known as semilunar valve in the pulmonary artery. Okay, have you understood? Thank you for watching.